Welcome to JH. If you are looking for a great cologne that doesn't require you to take out a second mortgage, let me introduce you to Nautica Voyage. This is a budget-friendly designer scent that retails for about $20 for a massive 100-milliliter bottle. It originally hit the shelves back in 2006, making it older than most of the trends you see on social media, yet it remains a massive bestseller today. It is a fresh, ocean-inspired fragrance that is perfect for everyday wear. When you first spray it, you are hit with crisp apple and water lotus notes that feel incredibly light and refreshing. It essentially smells like a cool sea breeze mixed with green apple and melon, which is a significant upgrade from the smell of desperation. As the fragrance dries down, it takes on a slightly soapy quality, but in a clean, I actually put effort into my hygiene kind of way. The base features cedarwood and musk, adding a touch of warmth and masculinity without being heavy or obnoxious. It definitely won't offend that one coworker who complains about everything. In terms of performance, it lasts up to 7 hours on the skin and projects quite well for the first hour and a half. After that, it sits closer to the skin, which is probably for the best if you're in a crowded elevator. Given the price point, the longevity is actually impressive. If you want it to last until the next morning, feel free to overspray. At $20 a pop, you can afford to treat it like a fire extinguisher. This is a true all-rounder that works for almost any occasion, whether you are heading to the office, hitting the gym, or just wandering around the house pretending to be productive. It shines brightest in the spring and summer, but it works year-round if you spend most of your life in air-conditioned rooms. Nautica Voyage is easily one of the best budget buys in the fragrance world. It smells good, lasts long enough, and won't leave your bank account in tears. If you are new to the world of colognes or just want a reliable daily driver that you don't have to overthink, this is a very safe bet. For the price of a decent pizza, you really can't go wrong. Thanks for watching, and remember to like and subscribe for more content that makes sense.